Let's be honest. Trading is hard. You can do everything right. You can read the charts, you can follow the news, and still end up losing money. Why? For most traders, it's not because their strategy is bad. It's because their profits are being stolen before they even place the trade. And today, I'm exposing the two biggest profit killers that almost no one talks about. Number one is the silent killer, the hidden costs that bleed your account dry. Number two is the gambler's mindset, the emotional, high-stress guesswork that leads to bad decisions. In this video, I'm going to show you how to identify both, and then I'm going to show you the exact system I found to solve both. Stick around. Alright, let's talk about the silent killer, high fees. Think of your trading account like a bucket. Every time you place a trade with a high-commission broker, you're paying a big chunk. That's a hole in your bucket. Even if you win, you're winning less. And if you lose, you're losing more. Then you have spreads, the difference between the buy and sell price. Wide spreads equals another hole. Then you have swap fees for holding trades overnight. Another hole. You could be the best trader in the world, but if your bucket is full of holes, you will never fill it up. This is where most traders fail before they even start. So how do you fix it? You find a new bucket. This is why I was so impressed when I started researching this video's sponsor, AAAFx. Their entire model is built around plugging these holes. They are a broker that is focused on low-cost execution. We're talking about accounts with example, zero commissions on stocks, example, raw thin spread starting from 0.0 pips, and example, swap-free accounts. This means more of your money stays in your account. When you win, you keep the profit. You're not just trading to pay your broker's fees. So, that solves profit killer number one. But what about the second one, the gambler's mindset? This is the big one. This is the stress, the FOMO, the revenge trading. It's 10 p.m., you're staring at a chart, and you think you see a pattern. You're not sure, but you're bored, or you just lost a trade and you want to make it back. So you place the trade, and you're just guessing. You're trading on emotion, not data, and that is a guaranteed way to lose in the long run. What if you could remove that emotion? What if you could trade with the discipline of a professional, 24/7, without having to be glued to your screen? This is the part that honestly blew my mind. This is what makes AAAFx more than just another broker. They are fully, and I mean fully, integrated with ZuluTrade. ZuluTrade is one of the world's largest social and copy trading platforms. This isn't just a feature, it's a complete change in how you trade. Let me show you. This is the dashboard. Inside ZuluTrade, you have access to thousands of professional, vetted traders, called leaders. And you don't just see their wins, you see everything. Look at this. You can see their total profit, their average PL, how many people are copying them, their risk level, and their entire trade history. It's 100% transparent. So you can filter by traders who match your style. You want low risk, you want crypto, you want stocks, you filter for it. You find a leader you trust with a long-term proven track record, and with one click, you copy them. You set your budget, you set your risk limits, you are in complete control. From that moment on, every trade they execute, your account executes automatically, scaled to your budget. You're not guessing, you're not trading on emotion. You are automating your strategy based on the data and performance of a professional. This solves profit killer. So let's put this all together. Problem number one, high fees that drain your account. Solution, AAAFx with its low-cost accounts. Problem number two, emotional guesswork and trading alone. Solution, AAAFx's integration with ZuluTrade, letting you copy proven experts. This is a complete system, and the team at AAAFx has put together a special offer for our community to get started. Click the very first link in the description right now. You can get started with a deposit as low as, again, ask your sponsor, and test out the platform and the copy trading feature for yourself. This is, in my opinion, one of the smartest ways to approach the market in 2025. A huge thank you to AAAFx for sponsoring this video and for building a platform that actually solves real problems for traders. As always, I want you to be safe. That's why this next part is the most important. This video is a paid sponsorship. All forms of trading and investment carry a high level of risk. CFDs are complex instruments and come with a high risk of losing money rapidly due to leverage. You should consider whether you understand how CFDs work and whether you can afford to take the high risk of losing your money. Past performance of any trader is not an indicator of future results. This is not financial advice. Please do your own research. Thanks for watching. Stay smart, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next one.